Pronoun. Example of pronoun. Subject pronoun I. Object pronoun me. Possessive adjective my. Possessive pronoun mine. Reflective pronoun myself. I, me, my, mine, myself. Subject pronoun you. Object pronoun you. Possessive adjective your. Possessive pronoun yours. Reflective pronoun yourself. You, your, yours, yourself. A subject pronoun it. Object pronoun it. Possessive adjective its. Possessive pronoun not used. Reflective pronoun itself. It, its, not used, itself. Subject pronoun he or she. Object pronoun him or her. Possessive adjective his or her. Possessive pronoun his or hers. Reflective pronoun himself or herself. He, him, his, himself. She, her, hers, herself. Subject pronoun we. Object pronoun us. Possessive adjective our. Possessive pronoun ours. Reflective pronoun ourselves. We, us, our, ours, ourselves. Subject pronoun they. Object pronoun them. Possessive adjective their. Possessive pronoun theirs. Reflective pronoun themselves. They, them, their, theirs, themselves. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.